Hello and welcome to Conscious.com. In this guide on how to make money online, we will show you the methods which actually work to make an online income for you. Depending on your liking and choice, you can choose any of the methods to make a full-time income or some extra money. The first way to make money is by writing and selling your ebooks. If you are an expert in any area, for example photography or cooking, you can write an ebook about it. Then you can sell your ebook on e-commerce sites like Amazon, eBay or your own blog. You can also publish your ebooks on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing. For creating an ebook, first you have to write the manuscript of the ebook. For writing the manuscript, you can use softwares such as Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer, or any other writing software which you are comfortable with. After writing the manuscript, you will need to format the manuscript by choosing which typeface you want to use, size of the font, size and style of the headings, colors, etc. After formatting the manuscript, you need to convert it into an ebook. Depending on which platform you want to publish your ebook, you can convert your manuscript into popular ebook formats like EPUB, PDF, MOBI, etc. You can sell your ebooks online using Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, Lulu, Payhip, Smashwords, Kobo Writing Live, etc. The second way to make money online is by online tutoring. If you have knowledge and you like to teach, you can make a good amount of money as an online tutor. You can teach any subject you want like algebra, calculus, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, art, social science, foreign language, etc. You can start online tutoring from your own blog or website. You can also join tutoring websites like tutor.com, Lance.com, tutorvista.com, etc. Now moving on to the third way of making money. If you are a professional photographer or a hobbyist, you can sell your photographs online. Some of the best websites to sell your photographs are Shutterstock, Fotolia, iStock, SmugMug, Alamy, Dreamstime, PhotoShelter, etc. The fourth way of making money is by selling products online. If you are an offline seller or retailer, you can set up an e-commerce website or sell your products on other e-commerce websites like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, etc. If you are a newbie in online product selling and you don't know which product to sell and where to sell your products, you need to find out the products which you want to sell and the source of the products. After you have decided the product, you can sell on your own e-commerce website or sites like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, etc. The fifth way of making money online is by writing for blogs and websites. If you are a professional writer or you like writing, you can make money online by writing for websites and blogs. There are a number of niches or categories of websites to choose from. For example, finance, online retail, parenting, design, freelance, travel, humor, web development, internet, living overseas, etc. You can earn a good amount of money, for example $100 per article. Some of the best paying websites are Listverse, The Penny Hoarders, Cracked, Smashing Magazine, DigitalOcean, etc. The sixth way of making money is by online training and consultancy. If you are an expert in any area, for example, photography, health, fitness, etc., you can give training and consultancy online for money. You can start a blog or website for giving training and consultancy. You can make online training courses or do one-to-one personal training sessions. You can charge your clients per session or per course. To make a good amount of money, you will need to have a large number of followers. You should choose a niche in which you are an expert to become an authority online. In this guide, the seventh and the last way of making money online is by creating your blog or website. If you have a personal blog or website, you can monetize it using a number of methods. For example, advertisements, affiliate marketing, selling your own products like ebooks, paid subscription, etc. If you are a newbie, you can start a new blog or website using WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, etc. For making an online income, you need to be dedicated and disciplined. It takes some time to become an authority online and to generate a good amount of money. Thank you for watching.